What's going on, guys? We are on day 2. Day 1, we mostly just registered and grubbed and pretty much chilled out, but it's fine. I still have fun. It's still always like a lot of people energy to absorb and stuff, so it's dope regardless. We're going to day 2 now. See what's more popping. The weather is, I admit it, it's trash. I expected a little bit more sunny. I know Ocean Shore sounds all sunny and stuff, but it's not. It's really wet. Very curious if it's dry in regular Seattle, but yeah, it's been fun so far. You know, we'll get some breakfast again right now, and we'll see what the hype is, you know. Can I get the salmon scramble?
Are we doing a biscuit or toast?
Can I get the biscuit?
Got it.
And then can I get a side of bacon? Is that possible?
Got it.
That sounds great.
He copied me. I got the biscuits and gravy combo.
They both got biscuits and gravy combo.
He didn't say anything, and I was the one talking about it. I ordered the
And I got some bacon on the side. You got to try everybody's bacon. Bacon is very important. Oh yeah.
I keep hearing you talking, and I'm like, you're not looking at us.
What's going on, chat?
Then I realized.
What's going on, guys? We're about to try a bite of the bomb cinnamon roll. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm gonna share it with Lauren.
It's pretty good. There's not a lot of cinnamon in my tripping.
Yeah.
Where's the cinnamon part of the cinnamon roll?
I'm tasting it.
You ate it all. You ate all the cinnamon.
Well,
Maybe it's because I got more center part. I got the edge before. No, that's good. Yeah, that's how you're baking, y'all. Gotta get that. What's up?
I forget. Are you a Sonic fan?
And then you would use the A button to do the
I mean, I don't hate Sonic. I'm not a huge fan, but what's up? I mean, I like Sonic, but...
No, I just think because he's a Sonic fan.
Oh, yeah, no. I'm like whatever on that.
It's like you have to hit the A or B button at the right moment.
I mean, Sonic is cool, but it's like, yeah, I'm not a hater.
Slightly reminds me of like Mario RPG, like right before you hit the guy, you hit
Yeah. I'm not a huge fan.
and he does extra damage.
Yeah, if you get like
I think you're getting attention.
you get damage.
Oh, really? Okay, so it's similar.
Yeah.
I feel like you should overheard us mumbling about it. You're like,
Yeah. You're fine. You're fine.
They don't get a wins by inches.
into a forest.
Yeah, what's up? Hey, let's go. Let's go. Right on, let's go. Gotta keep it hype, y'all.
You're not?
Good, good.
Sorry, it's a little loud. Here.
Oh, you're fine, it's all good.
Really?
Yeah, they're moving, everything's moving.
Did you get those from Tail Company?
Yeah, tail company.
Oh yeah, I have one.
Yeah.
I have a Tail Company tail. I just
Oh, okay, yeah. I'm trying it out for the first time, trying to see it out.
they're pretty cool.
Yeah, they're pretty cool. They're working out so far. I tried to wear my Kigu on and all together, it was too much. Yeah.
I imagine it's kind of a lot of stuff to have on.
Yeah, having the belt and then it was too much. I was like, another day, we'll switch it up, different days. Yeah.
A nose is a distance. A neck is a distance.
And 11 to 12 is right ahead.
Yeah, you got cool customs. All right,
Yeah, you too. Enjoy the content, man. See you later, man.
And then of course, if you're exactly right in line when it's finishing, they call that a dead heat.
So there's still a distance.
What's going on, guys? We are at the car show. Looking for Vin Diesel. We looking for the peoples. Everybody's out here, yo.
Oh no. Yeah, I gotta turn the governor on, man. He will not let you. He's gonna go for it.
That's hilarious.
Free hot dogs if you want them.
Yo, the homie just hooked it up with some hot dogs. Yo, they're pretty bomb too. It's lit. Yo, I never got free hot dogs at any con ever. Okay, I never get anything free at any con. So it's pretty lit, yo. I can grab on this all day. Been chasing it.
Yeah, I know.
Hi, hi. I looked at that dog's face, bro. It was so funny. Because I saw my tail wag and it was like, what the fuck?
Oh, hi, how are you?
Yeah, no, so.
I like your suit.
Thank you. Look at the styling.
Very nice.
Yeah, my other full suit is back at the Airbnb, but
Oh, yeah.
I want to wear this because, well, you know, it's a nice, you know, bomber jacket.
It is very
Okay,
nice.
yeah, you look fresh. You look fresh.
Really, really good.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, styling.
I'm gonna be hanging out over there real quick.
we'll
Good
chill.
seeing you again.
Don't admit to all your illegal activities.
Oh, no.
Actually, do admit to all your illegal activities.
Huh?
Admit to all your illegal activities.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
I fuck deers.
Okay.
That's hella illegal. That's hella
Not
illegal.
illegal.
That's super
That's
illegal.
illegal.
My deer is right over there. He's good.
Oh dear.
Hey, just want to hook it up. It's my favorite person at the car show.
Oh, thank you. Is that a sticker? Can
No,
I-
it's an air freshener.
Oh shit! Awesome.
Yeah,
Thank you. Appreciate
That's
it.
even more evil.
Yes.
No problem.
Because fucking hell.
Yeah.
This van fucking stinks all the time.
No problem.
It smells like hydrocarbons.
Okay.
The 1967 novel series Dragon Riders of Pern takes place primarily on the planet Ruckbat 3. Shortly after landing, the primitivist, human, and dolphin colonists of the Pern expedition are beset by a rain of flesh-eating extraterrestrial creatures called Thread. In order to survive, the humans form psychic bonds with the enormous flying, fire-breathing, intelligent lizards native to the planet, which the colonists call dragons.
Actually, they're not flesh-eating extraterrestrial creatures called Thread.
They terrifyingly are.
Actually, this book is not real.
It is. I wish I could say that about a lot of books.
I want to read this.
Go ahead.
We're not dolphin colonists.
They are. Yeah, they're 50-50 humans and dolphins.
Actually, that's not called the Pern expedition?
It is. All right, audience, anyone?
They don't form psychic bonds?
They do.
Actually, they don't breathe fire?
They do. Actually, dragons are not native to Pern. They are an artificial species that the colonists created by genetically engineering the native fire lizards, which have the size and intellect of a cat.
Of course.
The Avali, a cold-adapted species of raptor with liquid ammonia-based biology, were originally designed as a mod for the game Starbound, but have since been modded into many more games, including Skyrim, RimWorld, Stellaris, and VRChat. Avali have even been featured in their own standalone game, Avali Final Battle.
They're not, actually, they're not ammonia-based.
They are.
Actually, I don't think they were designed for Starbound.
They were.
They were?
Yeah.
That is correct. They were designed, they were originally created in Sport. This isn't me, I have to read this note, which explains why they look like that.
What is this thing that's coming out here? Oh yeah.
Beats.
internet? He's not 8. Yeah, well, Willie is not 8 either. Or should I say Cookie?
Justin had no idea. I was like, oh, you don't know.
Cookie's not an 8 either.
Oh, it's very funny. My life is very still.
We're just hanging out. We're just saying hi to everybody. We're seeing what
Ed, Pat, Cookie Dough, and
I'm also
Bugs.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's trying to feel ever crazy.
You too.
Sorry.
We've been.
It's okay. I'm quiet. I appreciate you guys are good. Hi.
Are you enjoying your con?
Yo, this is rad. This place. We're looking this direction.
Yeah, no, we were just coming in. We live in like Bend, Oregon. We were just coming out of the coast for a.
Oh, Bend.
I'm joking.
Alright, have fun.
Yeah,
We'll probably say hi back because we've been doing that for a while. It's kind of fun. Hello.
Hello. You see these legs?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
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 What vertical height are you at?
Hi. Just be saying hi to everybody. Hello.
Hello. Birds don't eat. You can sleep
Don't.
while you're flying.
Hello.
There's at least one bird that sleeps while it's flying. Spin.
Hello.
You're gaslighting.
Hello once again.
Hello again. Wait, does that make me a griffin then?
Hello.
Take showers tonight instead of in the morning.
Hello.
Definitely not much.
Hello. Hello.
Pretty much, yeah.
Just say hi to people.
It's the beacon for the road.
That is fair. I mean, weather is like because holy shit is so different. But
Yes, it is. We've been using bonfires to navigate down.
That is. Wait, bonfires?
I'm the
Oh, they must be all
I
out
thought there
now.
was a burn ban.
There is.
Yeah, there is.
Who knows?
Who's gonna stop us?
Well, no,
Bonfire
because of
day.
that burn ban, I
Just this
can't
flat
grill
street
marshmallows for s'mores.
It's
Yeah, but is this the rave?
it's down that way.
Yeah, it's just like right
I
there.
just a hello checkpoint. I just say hi to people.
Look for the,
Well, like I said,
look
I
for the
love it
glowing
though.
lights.
Yes. Bring joy to everyone.
Except rap about being a smell.
No, but I can rap about being a smell.
Kind of up in the sky still. Are you feeling it?
What time's with hyena? Naiva? Hyena does, yeah, but how do I work a mushroom and a hyena together? Machina! Deus Ex Machina. The voice of the machine. Also, this is your new dog.
We must bow before.
good con. You too.
Two.